Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amer. In this video we are going to answer this question. What is the difference between drill down and drill through report in SSRS? So let me take you to the drill down report first, and if I will preview this report I will see this plus sign. So once I click this one, then I will see the detail. So I got this interactive plus and negative sign, so I can change the view, or I can change the way I want to see this information. Once I click on positive sign, I am seeing kind of summary data, and once I click on positive sign, then it will take me to the detail. So with plain plus and minus, I can change the view of this report and see the detail of report. So that's what you need to explain. Tell them there is a plus and minus sign, and you can change the view or see the details of the contents by clicking those plus and negative sign. It will give you interactive interface to drill down the data. Now let's go to the other report. Drill through report is a report when we click on link, it will open another report. So this is my summary report, and under the region I have Asia, Europe and North America, and when I will hover my mouse, it will say, okay, you want to go to detailed report. Yes, let's say if I will click on Asia, it's going to take that value and then pass to the detail report and open that report. So let me show you two things here. First of all, how the people create this drill through report. Let's say this is my summary report, and I want to create a drill through report where it will take the region value and open the details. So I will create a simple detail report with the parameter region. Now I will come back to summary and click here and go to the text box properties. Under the action, I will go to the report, and then I will use that detail report, and then I will map the parameter. So that's how the people create the drill through report. I have a complete demo on this one and drill down reports in SSRS video tutorial. I will suggest you watching that. Let's go back to drill down and take a look how they create this plus and minus signs. What they do, they will come to the information they would like to hide or toggle on clicking on something. In this case we have detail level that we would like to toggle when people click on a region. So we go to details, right click, group properties, go to visibility, and then here we'll say hide it on first, but display can be toggled by this report item. So when somebody click on the region again and again, it will toggle the detail. So that's the way people create a drill down reports. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in next video.